distracts our talk. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you taking a picture of me?
I'm recording you. Do you mind?
Fine.
Okay. So go ahead. You had a lot to say like 2 seconds ago.
What am I supposed to say?
What were you talking about last?
Like, in the whole Middletown, just like in the whole Bronx, everything used to be when I was like smaller back in 2002 and 2003 when I had my similar faces. Like mine's right now in Central Park when I had the Pepsi cup in my hand and then I was crying in my picture. Like I had to close my eyes and a mouth up because I was afraid on a rowboat. So adorable.
You were you're still adorable. You're just older.
But I was like this in a picture, like.
Mm-hmm. I remember that. I have it.
Yeah, I didn't know I had that in a picture like that because I was afraid in a photo. I was afraid on a rowboat because I remember that.